In a recent development in the UK automobile market, Volkswagen Commercial Vehicles has unveiled the pricing and detailed specifications for their new offering, the Amarok. This premium pickup truck is accessible to customers in 4 distinct trim levels: Life, Style, PanAmericana, and Aventura. The starting price has been established at £33,000, offering exceptional value to potential customers. The new Amarok will be available for purchase from the 14th of June 2023 onwards, with initial deliveries expected by the end of summer 2023. Each Amarok comes with the promise of 5 years' worth of servicing and MOTs, a comprehensive warranty, and dedicated roadside assistance, illustrating Volkswagen's commitment to customer satisfaction and peace of mind. The distinctive appeal of the new Amarok is most notable at its front end, characterized by striking horizontal upper radiator grille crossbars. At the rear, the vehicle boasts uniquely designed C-shaped taillights. The vehicle's longer wheelbase and overall length provide for a more spacious cabin, while shorter overhangs enhance off-road abilities. The integration of state-of-the-art technology, including 30 driver assistance features, positions the second-generation Amarok as a trailblazer in the premium pickup segment. It is designed to provide a seamless blend of comfort and functionality, catering to customers who require a robust vehicle without compromising on luxurious amenities. The Amarok Life is the entry-level trim and has been designed with an emphasis on comfort. It includes 17-inch Combra silver alloy wheels, LED headlamps, a 10-inch infotainment screen, and a key safety feature, a rear-view camera system. Taking it a step further, the Amarok style builds upon the Life's attributes, incorporating additional aesthetic enhancements. This trim level includes 18-inch Amadora silver alloy wheels, a chrome styling bar, black side steps with a chrome insert for an elevated luxury feel, and an upgraded 12-inch central infotainment screen with integrated navigation. Additional safety features include an area view 360-degree camera. The Amarok PanAmericana distinguishes itself with a focus on superior off-road capabilities. Notable features of this driveline include a rear locking differential, underride guard, and a comfort suspension system. Design enhancements consist of 18-inch black Amadora alloy wheels and a premium bumper with a black X insert. The top-of-the-line Amarok Aventura is remarkable for its exquisite design, featuring 21-inch Warburg silver alloy wheels, chrome-plated exterior mirrors and door handles, and a premium bumper with a silver X insert. Each new Amarok also comes standard with Volkswagen Commercial Vehicles, the 5+ Promise. This customer-oriented program extends the standard warranty and roadside assistance to 5 years and includes 5 services, 3 oil change, 2 oil change and inspection plus 3 MOTs, providing customers with half a decade of peace of mind. Additionally, the Amarok PanAmericana is likely to provide impressive towing capacity and payload, essential features for a pickup of its class. The powertrain and driveline are designed to accommodate significant loads, adding to the versatility of the vehicle. This feature would be particularly attractive to customers who need a vehicle that is as capable at work as it is on an adventure, enhancing the vehicle's appeal to a broad range of potential buyers. Volkswagen has always paid significant attention to reducing the environmental impact of their vehicles, and it's likely that the Amarok PanAmericana will follow suit. Innovative technologies to improve fuel efficiency and reduce emissions are expected to be incorporated into the model. These could include regenerative braking, stop-start system, and advanced engine management system, making the vehicle as eco-friendly as it is powerful. The Amarok PanAmericana, like its siblings, is also expected to provide an excellent acoustic environment within the cabin. Volkswagen's commitment to providing a serene, noise-free cabin has been a hallmark of their vehicles. Expect effective soundproofing measures, a well-tuned suspension system to reduce road noise, and possibly even active noise cancellation technology. This means passengers can enjoy a quiet and comfortable journey regardless of the terrain they are traversing. Finally, customer service and support is a cornerstone of Volkswagen's operations, and the Amarok PanAmericana is no exception. Volkswagen provides comprehensive after-sales services, including routine maintenance, part replacements, and vehicle diagnostics. This comprehensive support extends the customer experience beyond the point of purchase, enhancing the long-term relationship between Volkswagen and its customers. It's yet another reason why the Amarok PanAmericana will stand as a desirable choice for consumers seeking a reliable, adventurous, and service-backed vehicle. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.